Does your English sounds basic and boring? If yes, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I will share 5 most powerful, natural and advanced English phrasal verbs that will make you sound fluent, smarter and confident in English. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Come across. Come across. It means to find something by chance. For example, I came across an amazing English channel. It means I was scrolling on YouTube randomly, but all of a sudden I found an amazing YouTube channel. You weren't searching for that channel, but you found it by chance. Come across means to find something by chance. Number 2 is end up. End up means you didn't plan it, but it happened without any plan. For example, I studied for 1 hour at night and I ended up studying all the night. It means I was not planning to study all the night, but it happened. So end up means to happen without any plan. Number 3. Look up to. Look up to. It means to respect or admire someone. For example, I look up to Cristiano Ronaldo. It means I love Cristiano. I respect Cristiano Ronaldo. Number 4. Go through. Go through. It means to face challenges, to suffer from difficulties. For example, he went through so many challenges before his successful life. It means he faced so many challenges before becoming a successful person. Number 5. Brush up on. Brush up on. It means to improve a skill you already know. In other words, you already know it, but you are practicing it to get better at it. For example, I'm brushing up on my English speaking skills. I already know how to speak English, still I'm practicing to improve it. These were the phrasal verbs that I wanted to share in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned 5 phrasal verbs from this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your question in comment box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep improving your English and keep supporting me. Yeah, bye bye guys, see you in the next one.